You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a Hebrew name meaning devoted to God. Let's learn how to pronounce it. For more biblical names, more names from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. Lemuel. That's the English pronunciation. Lemuel. Lemuel, name from the Bible. Lemuel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.